Okay, good afternoon, everyone. In the last lab, we have started the practical 2, and I have explained all the concepts which are required during the practical 2, right? And most of you have completed the two tables of practical 2. Third and fourth installment and transaction are remaining. So for that two concept, I have to explain you. Just wait for 1 minute. Is it visible to you? Okay. uh, when we type select star from account, at that time we can uh, we can see this data. It means A00234154. Although we have inserted all these things in a sequence, but due to the internal structure of the server, we are not getting in a sequence. Okay, that is not our issue. That is not our issue. If if we want to display this data in a sequence, either in ascending or either in a descending, then you can display it. You can display it means शो कर सकते हो, but it will not reflect in your database में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. डिस्प्ले होगा, right? So for that, order by is the keyword. Order by is the clause. Order by is the clause. Then after you need to write the column name, by which column you want to arrange it. For example, we want to arrange it account number wise. Second, in which manner we want to arrange, ascending or descending, that you need to mention. If you want to arrange in ascending order, then you have two options. Either you mention this keyword ASC or do not mention. Let's run first. You can see output A012345. It is in ascending order, right? If you write here ASC, same output you will get. So this is one mark short question, MCQ question, etc. By default, nothing is given to you, then it is ascending order, right? Now, if you want to arrange in descending order, simply write DSC, descending, right? 54321. Then easy. For example, you want to apply on name column, then it will be arranged in alphabetical order from last to फर्स्ट, राइट? एस लास्ट में आता है, फिर डी आता है फर्स्ट में. तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ये अरेंज हो गया. इफ बोथ स्पेलिंग आर सेम लाइक दिस, SONY SONI, so it will compare first character. If both are same, then go for the second, then go for the third, and then you can see Y and I. Y is in the descending first and I is next in the descending order, right? Here, if I remove or if I write ASC, then ascending order. Now my question, if I am arranging two column, is it possible? Account number in ascending order, name is in descending order. Is it possible? This query will be executed? No. Why? Yes, in the both column we have a different value. Like you can see here, 101 Patel Jigar. So one A001 will be first. According to this condition, it should be in ascending order, so it is first A001. But Patel Jigar will not be the first according to this column. Name descending. Descending में पहला कौन था? सोनी, सोनी, अतुल था, राइट? तो दो कॉलम पे नहीं कर सकते. यस, देयर इज वन एस्ट्रिक साइन. In some case in which table we have a values and columns like suitable for both ascending and descending, in that case it may happen, but it is zero, possibility of that is 0001 in rare case only. Okay, right?
सेम डेटा टाइप हो ये सब
डेटा टाइप में हम क्या लगा
मतलब डेटा टाइप मतलब ये अगर आपका यूज समझिएगा A00 का तो खाली नंबर है, ये एनरोलमेंट नंबर ना फोन नंबर, तो एमा तो થઈ શકતા ને.
I read. Let's type balance.
Balance and account number.
Data type of account number is varchar, name is varchar. So it is not working. It is not about data type. It is about the values, sequence and values, right? So this is order by clause, right? Done. Do you have any query? Okay, Ritvik, only you are clear. Rest of are sleeping. Good. Okay, next concept. Here it is loan table we have. Select star from loan. In loan table we have one column loan date. In that we have a different date, entire date, and date consists of what? DD, YY, or MMDD, any format. But it is having the three values: day, month, and year, either in any form, any sequence, any format, right? But if I write select star from loan, where loan date is equals to, in a single quotation, if I am writing 06 slash 15 slash 0004, then it will give only one row, right? Because that value is matched with that column name, so entire row it will display. But if I want to display data like this, I want to know the names of loan holder who has taken the loan in a particular month, for example January, May, then how you can identify? So here you need to write that month only. Let's run. So input value not long enough for the date format, because in a long date data type is date, so we need to type here date, then it is not possible. If I want to fetch the data of particular date, for example 18th August का records मुझे चाहिए जिसने लोन ली है, तो वो कैसे मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा. If I want to know the records of loan holder who has taken a loan in the year 2000, then नहीं मिलेगा. तो पर्टिकुलर डेट पे ही सर्च हो रहा है ना. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. कुछ ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव वन ऑप्शन. To care is one function. To underscore care. To underscore care is one function. There are two arguments. First one is the loan date and second one is the format. For example, in our table we have a loan underscore date. Here you need to mention that column in which we have stored the date values. तो यहाँ पे हमने loan date column में date value store की है. So वो उसकी नहीं. कोमा कौन से फॉर्मेट में चाहिए? मंथ चाहिए, डे चाहिए, ईयर चाहिए। पहले हम मंथ की बात कर लेते हैं। सो MM इज द फॉर्मेट। कौन सा मंथ चाहिए इज इक्वल्स टू कौन सा मंथ चाहिए हमें, पर्टिकुलर लेट 6, ठीक है। सो राइट नाउ वी हैव ओनली 3 एंट्रीज, but if you are having 100 entries and in a similar month, then you will get the more than one entries, right? For example, if I am writing here another MON format, what is the month of let's say May, आ गया 5th 18/004। सो MON से भी कर सकते हो। नाउ MONTH से, सो एंटायर स्पेलिंग यू नीड टू राइट, बट नो डेटा फाउंड। व्हाई? MM से हो गया, MON से हो गया, MONTH से क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Because it is not supported by this effect, right? Right? Just one thing. Okay. So month entire format is not supported for the Apex. So we need to check platform to platform, right? नेक्स्ट सपोज हमें पर्टिकुलर डे पे चाहिए। फॉर एग्जांपल कौन सा डे था मुझे याद नहीं है, एक डेट 18 पर्टिकुलर 18th डे को चाहिए। सो डीडी यहाँ पे फॉर्मेट चेंज कर दो, पर्टिकुलर डे। सो एंटायर डे में से वो पर्टिकुलर डे मंथ और ईयर एक्सट्रैक्ट करके आपको मैच करने के लिए देगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट डिवाइड द डेट, राइट? सो यहाँ पे देखो एक आ गया। अब मैं यहाँ पे एक ईयर का एग्जांपल दे दी, 04 तीनों डेट आ गई, बस every date is having a similar year. If you put here y for time, then you need to put 00 this one, right? Same output. Clear? So these two things you need to remember. Let me copy this thing to a chat so you can get the general format. This is for 2K. And one more correction I remember. In a third table, installment, fourth query, in that it is given add amount 5,000 something in L003 and L002. If you see here in L00 loan number column, is there any two value together? No, we have individual entries. So that question is wrong. Instead of and it should be a or. So correctly और होना चाहिए, ठीक है? और होना चाहिए कहाँ पे? इंस्टॉलमेंट टेबल में फोर्थ क्वेरी, एड द अमाउंट 5,000 व्हेन लोन नंबर इज L003 और L002। लॉजिकली आप देखो तो L003 एंड L002 कंबाइन नहीं हो सकता, राइट? हो ही नहीं सकता। ओके, वन yes, if it is given and no correction in that question, then you need to write two queries, but mostly one question, one query, one answer, ठीक है? ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करने की जरूरत है, इनकरेक्ट टाइपो एरर बोलते हैं इसको। वन मोर थिंग, 10th, only create a structure of table installment 1 from the table installment. Whenever we are discussing, already we have discussed, although let me remind you, whenever we are creating any structure from existing table, so we are generally writing create table, table name as select star from this, right? बट ओनली स्ट्रक्चर बोला है तो वेयर के अंदर सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम वेयर, वेयर के अंदर कंडीशन आपको ऐसी लिखनी है जो एग्जिस्ट ना हो या फिर फॉल्स हो, ताकि आपका टेबल का सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट होके नया टेबल में इनपुट हो जाए। ये हमने प्रैक्टिकली देखा था, फिर भी कुछ लोगों को डाउट है। और एक लास्ट में, हाँ, ट्रांजेक्शन टेबल में सेकंड क्वेरी, insert any duplicate value and display all the records without any duplicate rows। उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए आपको एंटायर रो यू नीड टू इंसर्ट इट अगेन, एंटायर रो आपको दूसरी बार इंसर्ट करने में 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार इंसर्ट कर दो, ठीक है। डेटाबेस में 4 बार इंसर्ट किया 4 बार रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, बट डिस्प्ले करने को बोला है कि यूनिक करनी चाहिए। सो उसके लिए आपको डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड चाहिए, डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड। डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड से आप डुप्लीकेशन अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, और डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड से आप डुप्लीकेशन अवॉइड कर सकते हो, वेदर यू एंटर 4 टाइम्स 5 टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स, बट इट विल डिस्प्ले ओनली वंस, राइट। सो डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड will help you here. So this I have to explain you, rest of you know. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask. Easy. Okay, no query. Then I have one question. How many of you are enrolled in Oracle certification course? Put a message yes or no into a chat. Everyone, quickly. क्यों भाविक, अभी तक क्यों? Okay. As soon as possible, you enroll in that. Okay, no issue. But don't do like this. Today you enroll and tomorrow you do not have to complete the entire course in 1 or 2 days, right? I will reject you simply. Yes, maintain the Word file for the second practical and upload the PDF file in a Google Classroom today itself. Today is the last day for the practical 2, right? Today in this lab you need to complete the, you are having the 2 hours, right? So in these 2 hours you need to complete practical 2 tables remaining, and convert that Word file into a PDF and upload in a Google Classroom, right? Okay, anything from your side? Then paste your enrollment number into a chat. I will take attendance twice and thrice in this lab, so be present. Oh no, no issue, Devans. I will add you later on. Those who are not in a Google Classroom, don't worry. They will not be considered as a late. Paste your enrollment number into a chat for the attendance, and I will take your attendance twice and thrice throughout the lab. Bhavik Vora, no need to paste your name, just paste your enrollment number only. Once it again.